You searched how to buy shares of Riverview Bancorp Inc., a regional bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RVSB, and this video will walk you through the practical steps. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To buy the stock, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RVSB to find the listing. Be sure to select the Riverview Bancorp Inc. entry on NASDAQ to open the correct asset page. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm the listing information. Double-check the NASDAQ listing and the RVSB ticker to ensure this is the right stock. Tap the Trade or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may be placed as pending, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio or holdings list. For the example link to eToro, check the description below.